Hey gearheads and race fans, welcome back. Are you ready to see what this thing is supposed to look like? I sure am. I've been waiting a long time. So let's get to work and make this thing look like a car again. Well, the moment of truth has arrived, so we're going to put this thing on the ground. But first, let me run you through everything that we've done so far to this vehicle. Okay, starting at the back, we put a tow hook because this car is going to see some track use. That was a little bit more involved than it actually looks. We put Johnny O'Connell shocks on the back. We replaced the rear brakes with Z06 units with a spacer to clear those brakes. Moving to the front, we did the same treatment to the front brakes, those Z06 two-piston calipers in the front. That's going to give us that 6-pot caliper that's going to increase our braking dramatically. Johnny O'Connell shocks again as a matching set. We also went and put air ducts in here that gathers air from the bottom of the car and blows it straight onto those. Moving to the front of the car, we put on some Z06 style canards and some additional canards up front on the bumper. And for those that are wondering, yes, those are reinforced from the back and not just going to pull the plastic bumper off. And then we go to our motor. Yay, my favorite part. So unfortunately, we had to put a new set of heads on this because we dropped a valve. If you haven't heard what happened to it, go back and watch episode 1. So we redid the heads completely. They've been ported and polished and redone. So we also installed an MSD Air Force intake. In there, we put, if you can see down inside there, we put full headers, long tube headers, all the way from the X-pipe to the back. We did keep the stock mufflers because I think it's just going to be rowdy enough with the stock mufflers. And plus it's straight pipes whenever you put that open them up. So yeah, man, that's what she looks like. It has been a ton of work. Next step is to get it on the dyno and hopefully not hurt some feelings.